In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change theme colors in PowerPoint in just a few clicks. This is a super quick way to give your presentation a fresh look, match your brand colors, or make your slides feel more polished and professional. Whether you're building a business pitch, a classroom presentation, or a simple report, changing the theme colors can instantly transform the overall style of your deck without manually editing every single element. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure you're on the slide deck you want to update. Once you're inside PowerPoint, look at the top ribbon and click the Design tab. This is where all of your presentation styling tools are located, including themes, formatting options, and color settings. After clicking Design, look for the Variants section on the right side of the theme area. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to Variants. Click that drop-down to open more design options. Variants let you customize different parts of the current theme without changing the entire layout of your slides. From the Variants menu, click Colors. This will open a list of different theme color sets that you can apply to your presentation. These color sets control how the main colors in your slides look, including text, shapes, accents, charts, and other design elements. PowerPoint gives you multiple built-in combinations, so you can quickly browse and choose the one that best fits your content. Now simply choose a color set that matches the style you want. As soon as you click a new color set, PowerPoint applies the theme colors instantly across your presentation. You'll immediately see the update reflected throughout your slides, which makes this one of the fastest ways to redesign the look of a presentation. If you want a clean, professional appearance, choose a simple color scheme with soft contrasts. If you want something more bold and modern, pick a brighter set with stronger accent colors. And if you're creating slides for a specific brand, try to choose a palette that matches your company or project colors as closely as possible. The best part is that this works across the whole presentation, so you don't have to manually recolor every title, shape, or chart one by one. That's a huge time saver, especially if you're working on a long deck. And if you ever want to change it again, you can repeat the same steps anytime by going back to Design, then Variants, then Colors, and choosing a different set. So to recap, all you need to do is go to the Design tab, click Variants, open Colors, and pick your theme color set. That's it. Your PowerPoint theme colors will change instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.